Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport, the home of Carolina Aircraft. May K. Beeler here with another stunning Bonanza to tell you about today. It's our specialty, only the finest pre-owned, prime condition Beechcraft bearings and Bonanzas. So today I've got a 1992 A36 to show you. Stunning paint scheme, factory air conditioning, upgraded avionics. Let's take a look. So let's talk about your engine. Teldon Continental IO550 300 horsepower engine, $10.95 on the engine since major overhaul, and $12.25 on your prop since prop overhaul. I like the paint scheme on this Bonanza. 74 gallons of usable fuel to fly you to your dream and business destinations. The exterior is white with medium blue and light blue stripes and maroon swoosh. Good condition, 2,915 hours total time on the airframe since new. So let's check out the interior. We'll take a closer look in a minute. Love the large double cargo doors, easy loading of our passengers and our things. 1155 is your useful load. Now when it comes to the seating configuration, you know it's versatile. We can move the seats around. Everyone can sit facing each other or all facing forward. I can even remove a seat and I love it. I don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, remove the seat, and we're in business. So come on in, let's check out the interior together. It's in good condition. Love these seats, wool blend inserts in perfect condition. Nice carpet executive writing desk. Now check this out, the sidewalls are beautiful, the headliners in great condition. Shoulder harnesses for everyone. We have an intercom system and yes, factory air conditioning. So let's check out the flight deck. EFIS, PFD, MFD, and MAP. Yes, you'll enjoy an Aspen 2000 EFIS, ADI, HSI, and MFD. We do have a Garmin 530 GPS Navcom with WAAS on board. Your number 2 is a King Digital Navcom. Transponder is a Garmin GTX 330 ES with ADS-B out. We do have Mode S traffic on the 530. We do have a DME on board with Nav 1 and 2 and DME hold. You'll enjoy Garmin XM weather on the 530. The Autopilot is a King KFC 150 with EFIS, ADI, and HSI, and we have a King altitude and vertical speed Preselect. Other features you will appreciate: Co-Pilot brakes, 3-blade prop, Co-Pilot altimeter and VSI, factory air conditioning, graphic engine monitor, shoulder harnesses, all 6 seats, built-in speaker side tone, standby altimeter, airspeed and attitude indicators, and more. So this 1992 A36, she's looking for a new home. Remember folks, factory air conditioning, the interior's in good shape. We have that upgraded panel with the EFIS, MFD, lots to love here. Now, Bonanza School, I want you to know it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you A36. We have the logbooks, great maintenance, no known damage history. So come on out to Piedmont Triad International Airport. We'd love to meet you. Take a test drive. I'm May K. Beeler. Thank you so much for watching.